Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential skill for Instagram users: how to copy your highlight link. Whether you want to share your favorite moments with friends or promote your content, this updated guide will walk you through the steps effortlessly. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account, as this will allow you to access all your highlights seamlessly. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This action takes you directly to your profile page, where all your posts and highlights are displayed. Once you're on your profile, look under your bio for the highlight you wish to copy. Highlights are those circular icons that showcase your best stories, so find the one that you want to share with others. Now here comes the crucial step. Click and hold on the highlight. This action will prompt a menu to appear with various options related to that highlight. It's important to ensure you're pressing firmly enough for the options to show up. Finally, choose Copy Link from the menu that appears. After selecting this option, a notification will confirm that the link has been copied to your clipboard. You can now paste this link anywhere you like, be it in a message, an email, or even on another social media platform. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, opening the app, navigating to your profile, selecting the highlight, and copying the link, you can easily share your Instagram highlights with anyone. This feature is particularly useful for promoting events, sharing memories, or simply connecting with friends and followers. Remember to keep exploring Instagram's features to enhance your social media experience. Thanks for joining me today. Happy sharing.